Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm your host LC, and this is the Super Kids Art Club. Hey guys, it's LC here, and in today's video, we're going to be making our own magical paper flashlight. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can be a part of the Super Kids Art Club. Okay guys, here's some of the supplies that you're going to need for today's project. Alright, let's get started. Let's grab our Ziploc bag. If you don't have a white table like this, you're going to need a white piece of paper. And the piece of paper is going to slide right into your Ziploc bag. That way you can see what you're drawing on top of darker surfaces. Now let's grab our black marker and start drawing. Remember, you can do your very own drawing or have something printed out that you can trace over. I decided I'm going to draw an ocean scene. So here I am drawing the green seaweed and the pink seaweed. Now let's put a starfish on the bottom of the ocean floor and start coloring the ocean floor. Now I'm going to grab my green marker and put some more green seaweed. Now for this next piece, I wonder if you guys can guess what I'm drawing. Now I can give you a hint.
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants!
Yep, SpongeBob's house. Alright, let's finish his windows and his door. Let's draw the lines on the pineapple, color it in with the yellow.
6.5 hours later.
That looks great. Now I'm going to draw a little fish up here. Nice! And a little jellyfish right here. Now I'm going to draw one of my personal favorites, a sea turtle. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to draw is a seahorse. Now all I gotta do is color him in. Now I feel like something's missing. Let's draw some blue lines on top. Let's add some more seaweed, but this time make it blue. And now I'm gonna draw little bubbles, just so it looks more like we're underwater. Great! Now my drawing's complete. Let's move on to the next part. Let's grab our marker and white cardstock paper. We're going to use these to make our flashlight. I'm going to use blue to color my flashlight in. Now I'm going to use a little bit of red. And then use the yellow so it looks like the light's shining out from your flashlight. Now all you got to do is grab your scissors and cut out the outline. Awesome! Look at this flashlight! Okay, let's grab our drawing again. And we need to trade out the white paper for a black piece of paper. Let's try it like this. Abracadabra! Nice! Now we just grab our flashlight and turn it on and insert it into the Ziploc bag. And there you go! It's your very own magical paper flashlight! This looks cool! It's like we're shining a light on the bottom of the ocean floor. Alright guys, thanks for watching. And remember, if you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. I will be posting new videos every week. See you later, Super Kids!